appoint a bench to sit on matters which raise substantial questions of law. But my lord, at the same time, that constitution which requires to be read conjunctively says the deputy chief justice shall deputize the chief justice. So my lord, what is the fuss about it? So my lord, my request is that the application is each by the petitioners is solely meant to delay the business of the day. And my lord, I request in public interest, my lord, I request in public interest that you give directions. We proceed with the application. We are here to support the application for conservatory orders. And my lord, you also hear our application to set aside the conservatory orders. My lord, that will make critical sense and promote public interest. Thank you.
My lord, if I may just add.
This court has the control of the proceedings. And this is a very weighty matter. It concerns the deputy president of this country. I will not allow everybody to speak, because if everybody is going to speak, we are going to head nowhere. A challenge has been posed on the validity of this bench to sit. This is the direction we are making. The application challenging the validity of this court to sit must be filed within 1 hour and responded to within 1 hour. We will come at 2 to listen to that application.